Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up choosing between 0% APR and balance transfer deals step by step clearly. First, gather all your financial information, including existing debts, interest rates, and credit scores. Next, understand what a 0% APR deal entails. This type of offer allows you to make purchases or transfer balances without interest for a specific period. Now, look for credit cards that offer 0% APR deals. Make sure to compare the duration of the promotional period across different cards. After that, identify balance transfer deals available in the market. A balance transfer deal helps you move your existing debt from one card to another, often with lower interest rates. Check the transfer fees associated with balance transfer offers. These fees typically range from 3% to 5% of the transferred amount. Consider your outstanding balance and calculate how much you would save with each type of deal. Next, evaluate the promotional period for both 0% APR and balance transfer offers. Determine how long you would need to repay your debt within the interest-free timeframe. Now, think about your spending habits. If you plan to make new purchases, a 0% APR card might be more beneficial. However, if your main goal is to reduce existing debt, a balance transfer card could be the better choice. Once you've weighed the pros and cons, narrow down your options to the top 2 or 3 cards. Next, check the eligibility requirements for these cards. Review the application process and necessary documentation. Now, apply for the card that best fits your financial situation. Be prepared for a hard inquiry on your credit report. After receiving your card, make a plan for repayment. Set up automatic payments to avoid missing due dates. Finally, monitor your progress throughout the promotional period to ensure you stay on track. This approach will help you maximize savings while managing your debts effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.